Hi, welcome to TechXplorePRO channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to use date transformations in Power BI. So guys, I have over 10 years of experience in business intelligence tools like Power BI, Tableau, and um, MS Excel, etc. So in this channel, I'm going to share all the tips and techniques that I've used so far, right? So without wasting time, you can just click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon to get the timely notifications of my videos, right? Okay, let's get started. So for this, I'm going to import a data set called transform data, and just click on OK. So within couple of seconds and my data set will be loaded. So for this, right, I'm going to use the extra transformations Excel sheet, so you can see the preview of the data where I have different columns along with the date attributes, right? So I'm going to click on the transform data because I'm not going to use the data as it is. So I'm going to apply some date techniques inside the Power BI and then apply and close. So that is going to save my data set, enhance the data set in the Power BI, right? So for that, I'm going to click on the transform data. So within couple of seconds, my data set will be loaded into Power BI window. So right, so here you can see the ID, date of sale, customer, date of birth, gender, columns, etc., right? So I'm going to make use of this date columns, date of sales and date of birth. These two columns I'm going to use it for date transformations. So first I select the date of sale column, and here you can see transform and add column. uh, the transform is like whatever the column you selected, right? So whatever the formatting things or any other logics that you have applied, so it will be applied for the specific column that you have selected. For example, if I apply all the formatting techniques here, right, on the same column, whatever I selected, date of sales will be applied here. In case of add columns, it will create a separate column at the end, and whatever the techniques, formulas that you have used, right, so those will be applied in a separate column at the end. So right, so in this column, let us say I'll go to the transform data and select the date of sales column. So notice the date. So we are going to use this date transformations to convert the date into a different sections, right? I mean, like in for example, so I want to see the what is the year of this date of sale. See, it is converted to the year, right? So if I want to remove that particular step that I have applied, I can click on the close button. It will undo the changes. So in this case, like again, I'm going to use add column, and I'm going to make another column out of this column. So for this, I have to select the uh, date date option in the add column area, and then I'm going to apply the month. So month means, so what is the month on the selected date? So for all the rows it will be applied. You can notice that there is a one more column added at the end, right? So what is the date? What is the date from that column? So you just extract the date, sorry, month from that selected column. So I can remove this step, and then again I'm going to select the date of sales column, and then go to the date, and this time I will extract the quarter of year. See, so what is the quarter number on that particular year in the selected column will be captured here. And also, like select the date column. You can see different options here, like if you want to extract the year, you can go for year, and then month, quarter, week, day, right? So if I select the day, and then go to the day of year, start of day, end of day, name of the day. If you select this one, name of the day will be captured here. So what is the day on that particular day? So here there is no a day name, right, in the column that we have selected, date of sale. So it will give us the name of the date. right? So likewise, you can apply all the date options here, like year, month, quarter, week, day. So whatever you want. In day we have these many options. Week we have start of the week, end of the week. You can do week of month, week of year, quarter in quarter, quarter of year, start of quarter, end of quarter. So like this there are different options you can apply here. And then we have another date column called date of birth, right? You just select on the date of birth column, and then we are in remember we are in add column window, right? So, under add column window, select the date of birth and again go to the date option. Here you notice that age, right? If you click on the age, it is added one more column for the age, right? And just convert this age to total years, and you notice that it is converted to the year actually. So we have a date of birth column. From that, for each customer we are extracting the uh, I mean like age of the customer, that particular customer. You can also round up this particular column. You can click on the round up, right? So it will give you the exact age. Okay, so this is what all about date transformations in Power BI. Hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get the timely notification. Thank you. We will see in the next video.